Hi, I'm Jason Burtis, and I am a service advisor here at A+ Japanese Auto Repair. Definitely a better dynamic for customers when you're family owned and operated and you have the ability to care a little more and make changes as you see fit. The reputation of this place was the reason I applied. We have built this motto that we want to be 100% transparent. All the technicians have cameras, they have tablets that they can work with that takes pictures of anything they need. So when we do an inspection on a client's car, it's almost like the client is here looking at it with us because they get a full documented report of 30 to 50 pictures, everything we've checked out, very clear, very discernible, and then notes from the tech regarding each picture and what they're looking at. I've been in this industry about 15 years. This shop has a very high support factor. Basically, they'll give you everything you need to succeed. There will be no resources held back, and it's basically you get out of it what you put into it.